So let's take a quick look at what speech2note.com can do for you. So here I am. Oops. Wrong website. So here I am at speech2note.com, and you can simply come to the website and start using this microphone, but I'll tell you what you can get with the Pro plan. So I'm already logged in. I'll go to the dashboard, and my default format is set to formal email. So let's write a proposal to the client on an email using speech2note very quickly. So here we go. So hey Troy, I've been wondering about the UX project that you currently require, and I think based on the discussions that I've had internally with the team, this will take somewhere about 7 to 8 weeks to complete the entire project, and will cost us somewhere around $700 a week for the project, in which there will be one senior UX strategist and one junior designer working along with you and your team. The senior strategist will be there for 2 hours a day, but the junior designer will be working full time. So this is what the cumulative cost is. We hope to finish this in 7 to 8 weeks of time, and we will try to deliver all the required assets like wireframes, visual designs, high fidelity prototypes, and then we will be collaborating with the developers as well. So that's more or less about it from our end. Let me know your thoughts. So I'll just hit pause and I'll stop the recording. Let's see what speech2note comes up with. I have been daily driving speech2note since I have launched it, and I have been loving it. So here is the transcript that we have received from speech2note, and now it is summarizing into a nicely written email. So let's wait for it. It's going to be pretty crazy. So yeah, here we go. So subject: UX project timeline and budget outline. Dear Troy, I hope this message finds you well. Following our recent discussions and internal review with my team, I'm pleased to present you the formal proposal for the upcoming UX project. It gives me the summary of the project. Our team is prepared to embark thorough UX design venture that we anticipate completing within a duration of 7 to 8 weeks. So whatever my thoughts were, it just collected it together and wrote it in a nicely formatted email, which I can obviously come here and edit at any given point of time, right? I can make it 8 to 9 weeks. I can write my name, position, UX. Hey. And yeah, that's more or less about it. Best part is I can also add tags to it. So I'll write, say something like these 2 tags. I can go ahead and rename those tags and remove those tags as well if I want to, but this looks pretty good to me, and I can copy and paste it and send it to Troy for further inspection. So yeah, speech2note doesn't limit just writing formal emails. You can use the same transcript and add more formats to it. So for example, I can sort of write it as a casual email, right? And let's wait for the transcript to come. It will not disturb or whatever the edits or whatever the changes you have made to the first transcript. So this is the casual email. I hope you're doing great. I want to touch base with you regarding discussion about the UX project. After syncing up with our team, we have sketched out a proposed timeline and cost estimate that I think will work well with your requirements. So here's a quick rundown. And this is in a more friendly manner. So probably if you're sending this for the first time to the client, you'll stick to the formal email. But if you have established good relationship with the client, you can stick to casual email. And if you can use speech2note for multiple purposes. I use it for writing emails. I use it for writing social media posts on LinkedIn and Twitter. And it gives me fantastic results. As you can see, I am good with my thoughts, but I cannot structure it properly. But it helps me structure all my thoughts in a well-written email, just like that, like without spending a lot of time. So give it a try and let me know what your thoughts are on speech to note, and I would love to see you on the other side. Cheers.